Hi, guys. I lost focus. Oh, hi there, little robot.
That's PJ Robot. He'll keep an eye on the city while we're with you. He's okay working alone sometimes.
Yeah, alone's cool.
So your powers come from asteroids?
Wait, what are your powers?
Well, it's complicated.
Okay, save explaining for later. Can I have a turn on these space rock things right now?
Yes, of course. They're not mine. I just study them.
Whoa, let's go! Awesome! Super cat speed!
Oh, watch out! Be careful!
What if I do this? Huh? It glows? How do they do that?
Hey!
My cat's whisker!
Oh.
Fluttering feathers!
I like space when it's quiet.
That space kid is back again. And the PJs, too. Well, he's just asking for it. Space Boy doesn't seem too happy with them. Who blames him for that? Okay, here's the plan.
Woohoo! Awesome!
Uh-oh! What do we do?
Stop!
Whoa!
You really do know how to look after them.
I'll take it from here, guys.
How do you do that? Can you show us?
Can you do it again? Do it again!
Hey, look! That one is really special. You've got this, Newton. The PJ said so. Huh? Who are you? What do you want? I didn't mean to startle you. I'm just an old ninja from a distant mountain. Oh, I thought you might be one of those mean nighttime villains. I am definitely not a villain, but I do need help. You see, I am very, very weak. I've lost my ancient ninja powers, and the only way to get them back is by climbing my mountain. But I can't make it alone. Climb a mountain? I am looking for a way to be a hero. This will surely be a heroic deed. Please, help a poor old ninja. I should check with the PJs. No! I'm getting weaker by the second. Oh. Of course I'll help. That's what heroes do. Come with me, old gentleman.
Owl wing wind! Can't catch me, PJ Pests!
Wanna bet?
Can't catch me, PJ Pests!
Whoa. Behold, the magic of the mountain. Magic mountains? I'm not sure this is my thing.
Little sisters, huh?
Easy, easy. Me and Luna. Me no light. Make it stop.
PJ Robot's on board. I'm so glad you're okay, PJ Robot. Uh-oh. She sounds kind of scared.
That'll teach her. I told her she couldn't be as bad as me.
Luna, she's in trouble. She'll fly into outer space if we don't do something.
Oh, does sound bad.
We've got to help her. But how? Every time we talk to her, she laughs. We need a different approach. Like what? Matsuki, we can help you.
PJ's like Luna. Think Masuki's baby.
You want to prove that you're better than Luna?
Uh-huh.
Well, you aren't just bad. Prove that you are really good at flying HQ. We'll teach you.
PJ's teeth?
Now we're trapped, floating further and further away from Earth. It's okay, PJ Robot. Let's take a closer look at this force field. Furballs! They'll blast it away! They didn't work! It's too strong! Cat roar? Energy blast! It's not helping! If HQ can't do it, we'll have to do it. Time to be a hero! Whoa! We've used our powers on the moon, but never in outer space. It's even floatier. I'm swimming! Let's do this. Owlette win! Whoa! Cat strikes! Let's see if my shields work. Super Gekko Ah! This is hard! We need help! PJ Robot! Yeah, go PJ Robot! What's the plan now? Did you know asteroids are actually mini planets? I learned that in my game.
Catboy, eyes on the mission.
Maybe one day they'll make a game about me.
The Lunar Fortress is going crazy. Where are you?
We're on our way, ma'am.
What? Matsuki's so scared. Hey! Help! Matsuki! It took her. You've got to come now.
What's the fortress doing?
I'm not sure, but this could be my next big discovery.
Where have you been? My fortress threw me out and I can't find Matsuki. She's been crystallized or fortressized or something.
Never fear, Commander Meow is here.
Let's see how it deals with lunar super cat speed.
Catboy, wait!
Oh, yeah!
It looks really mad.
And the question is, why?
Look out! Oh! Must be some kind of bad space energy. I need to get in there and discover where it's coming from.
Shouldn't we stick together in that, good old PJ way?
Maybe we stay back, think up a plan, and...
You'll be safe with me.
Whoa!
So much for a plan.
Commander Meow fearlessly speeds to the fortress, a whisker closer to unlocking the universe's secrets.
Over here, Luna!
against him is me and you and
Owlette? Yeah, but Owlette, you're not gonna like this.
Luna. Crystal. Yay! The rovers work. Nice job, PJ Robot.
Can you do something else for us? If we're taking on a flying factory, we kind of need wings.
Yeah, it won't be the same as Owlette.
Don't worry, little guy. We got this.
Help you? I don't think so. I lost all my moon crystals, my fortress collapsed, and my little sis turned back into a moth.
Luna, we're sorry about last night. We really tried.
Birdbrain's the one who messed up. Where is she anyway?
Long story. She's not coming.
Figures. Okay, let's do this. But I'm in charge. And Matsuki's second in charge. Not first, second. Second! Uh-oh. Flyboard attack! Matsuki! Come on! Safety first! What's happening, kitty cat?
The engine repairs are nearly done, and the PJ masks are nowhere to be seen. Soon the crystal power will be mine. Why did you stop working? This is my most genius plan ever.
Home sweet home. Well, it will be soon, once I get everything working. Wait till it's finished. You know, I've never understood the whole henchman thing, but I gotta admit, I like having you to boss around. So, how would you like a new name? Mothina, Mozzarella, Matsuki! Now for the finishing touch on my... Fine, our fortress. Now, let's pull up all the fancy stuff from the city.
He adjusted our spacesuits so our powers work just like they would on Earth.
Thanks, PJ Robot. What is that? Whatever it is, I'm sure Luna Girl's controlling it. Guys, look! She's taking stuff from the city to put on the moon.
We have to stop her.
But we also have to protect the city. We can't do both at the same time. At least, not together.
Wait, what do you mean?
I think I should stay here to make sure Luna Girl doesn't take anything. Go without me.
But we're a team.
This is one of those times where we have to split up. You and Owlette go after Luna Girl. Catboy's right. There's no way we can stop her from here.
Then we better hurry.
I'm on it. Good luck, guys!
Good luck, Catboy.
Oh, no, you don't! Not on my watch! Super Cat Strike! Whoa! There! I need to get Luna Girl out of here or we'll both be in trouble.
There, this new lens will make my Luna portal 10 times more powerful.
Don't move, Luna Girl! Wait, you fixed it?
Fixed? No, I replaced it with a stronger lens.
So, it's over?
No, it's not over. You broke it, I fixed it. You owe me.
Aha! I don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah, We know you broke the telescope, Luna Girl.
Wait, they don't know?
Know what?
Nothing at all. Just step away from the telescope.
No, I fixed it, and now I'm gonna open my Luna portal, and you can't stop me.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Moths, get her!
Watch the telescope, Owlette!
Oh, no, you don't. Not again! Got it! Yay!
You didn't get to break it that time.
For the last time, PJ Pests, I didn't break it.
Then who did?
Yeah, only you and Owlette were...
It's true. Luna Girl didn't break the telescope. I did.
What?
I just leaned on it and it tipped over and broke. It was an accident. But why didn't you tell us before? I didn't know how to tell you. It was just easier to let Luna Girl take the blame. She's usually the bad guy. But that was wrong. I'm no hero.
And
she also fixed the telescope.
What?
And I'm sorry for not speaking up when it happened. Whatever you're up to, it's never gonna work.
oh, is that so?
What do you mean one of Luna Girl's moths has the moon crystal?
But how? It's an HQ. Not anymore. Look!
Oh boy, that is not good.
All right, Moths. You know the plan. Keep the PJ Pest busy here while we... Yes, you're coming too. While we set things up on the moon. Next stop, my Lunar Fortress. See you soon, PJ Pest.
What did she mean, see us soon?
I don't know, but she's got the crystal. We've got to go after her.
PJ Robot!
It's not your fault, PJ Robot.
Yeah, Luna Girl distracted us on purpose.
Come on, buddy. We're gonna need your help to get that crystal back.
Let's get ready for takeoff.
Home sweet home. Well, it will be soon, once I get everything working. Wait till it's finished.
Whoa, Luna must have had a huge tantrum to cause all this. Come on!
Masuki, not super anymore!
The fortress is draining our powers. Maybe it's time to tell Luna you're sorry?
No, never ever!
But we need her. You need her.
Luna not care?
Oh, I bet she does. I'm sure if you sent her a signal, she'd rescue you in a flash.
Luna won't come. You'll see.
We can't launch a rescue mission without you. Only you know about the Lunar Fortress. And you've got to help Matsuki. She's your little sister.
Whatever. She told me she doesn't need me, so I'm not doing anything. Whoa, Matsuki's in trouble?
It must be pretty bad up there. For Matsuki to ask someone for help, not just someone. You, Luna.
I don't think anyone's needed help from me before. Especially not...
Well, what are you waiting for? There's no time to lose!
Okay, little buggy sister. I'm coming.
Gasping geckos! Mega force field!
Matsuki's trapped inside?
Your magnet's doing it! With all the angry energy from your tantrum!
Don't just stand there, grab it!
Super Cat Strike!
Oh, amateurs! I'll do it myself.
Luna? She came!
She does care about you! No! Please hurry, guys! Matsuki's losing energy! Oh, come on! Your anger is just giving the magnet more negative power!
That's why Matsuki took off.
You can still save her!
Wait, was that crater there last time?
That's no crater! Somebody made that hole!
It's so deep!
What's that? Cat ears! Something's digging down there!
Must find the moon crystal for Master.
I wondered if the PJ Pest might show up.
Romeo? That was you blasting into space?
Yes, I simply added a few rocket boosters to my lab and voila! I'm here to dig up a lunar crystal so I can superpower all my gadgets and take over the world!
Good one, Master.
But you're destroying the moon!
My beautiful, beautiful moon!
Relax. I'm sure a robot's close to finding another crystal. I'll stop then, but not until he finds one, huh? PJ Robot says the crack's getting bigger.
I can fix this! Just give me my Luna crystal back before it's too late! Please!
I don't know. The last time you had it, you trapped us in crystal pods, remember?
That was different.
Really? I think we can handle this.
Gekko, see if you can stop the crack from spreading. Owlette, you stop Robot. I'll get Romeo. Okay, Romeo, this ends now!
Oh, no, you don't.
My powers are fading! I need that crystal!
That nice.
No, it's not!
No like? Try. Bubble time.
That sounds kind of fun.
Silly PJs.
Hand over my baby beam!
Me not know what you're talking about.
Oh, really? How'd your big sister turn into a teeny tiny toddler then? You just flapped your wings?
Maybe.
You did it with my genius invention! That one right there! Robot, retreat!
I got it, Master.
Bubble time.
Oh no!
Hi, Moon Girl.
Peekaboo!
Oh, Master, you are such a cutie muffin.
My cutie muffin. Romeo Roo, do what Matsuki say. Push.
Push! Pushy push!
You too, baby Luna. Meow. fun.
Thanks, PJ Robot.
Me so silly.
Romeo, too?
Don't fall for it. They may look cute, but they're still villains.
Owlette! Gekko! Do you read me? I'm outside the fortress.
Catboy? But how? Why don't you come in and join the party?
Nah, I'm good.
Huh?
Gekko! Owlette! Hey, guys! Catboy! You made it!
All right.
So, what's with the colored moon balls?
That's where I'm storing your friend's powers. And guess what? You're next.
Yeah, I don't think so.
Matsuki, after him!
Catboy, watch out for the moth! It's got special powers! Me too! Come and get me, moth!
Trap him like the others so I can drain his powers too. Then, no more PJ Masks! Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm going to see how Matsuki is doing. Don't move. Oopsie, I forgot. You can't!
What are we gonna do?
I don't know, but I sure hope Catboy knows what he's doing.
Did you hear that?
Sounds like PJ Robot.
There he is!
Can you get us out of here? And fast? Hurry! Luna Girl will be back any second.
I didn't count on the PJ splitting up. You're right. I can use that to my advantage. And I will. Watch this.
Uh-oh! We're being pulled into the moonbeam!
I'm trying, but it's too strong.
Whoa! Look at that thing! It's like a supersized mega magnet!
Can't you shut it down, Gekko?
I'll try. I hope Catboy doesn't mind if I use his fur balls. Steady. Steady. Right on target, and it's down!
Nice shot, Gekko! Catboy would be proud. Now let's set the ship down. This may be our only chance to get the moon crystal back before Luna Girl turns on the moonbeam again.
PJ Robot,
Keep the ship ready in case we have to blast off. Fast!
this doesn't feel the same without Catboy.
Yeah, I know. But right now, we gotta see what Luna Girl's up to.
Ha!
What are those?
Let's find out. I'm gonna swoop down and grab the wand. You should blend in.
Good idea. Super Gekko camouflage.